Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the app link to your Firestick as well as the best code to use there. This way you'll be able to get loads of amazing apps to your Firestick, which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps. Movie apps, TV shows, live sports, live TV related stuff, media players, as well as spicy applications. So I'm sure you will find it useful. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to set it all up on your Firestick. And firstly, you gotta get the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually even skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me now. So let's go to the home screen on your Firestick, and from the home screen you gotta find that search icon right here, open the search bar, and now we'll be using this on-screen keyboard to enter the name of the app that we need. It's once again downloader. So you start entering downloader, and as you can see it has already popped out for us at the bottom. This way you don't even have to enter the whole name of the app because usually it pops out earlier. Then you click on downloader. Now that's this orange app which you gotta get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet because you still need to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll have to go to the settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Click on it, and now from here we'll have to turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. In that case, just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install unknown apps, and from here all you gotta do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to the list of applications on your Fire TV Stick. Here it is. Let me open it. And now there's the downloader. But firstly, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just get back to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and of course, let's open it up. So when Downloader opens, you need to use this big search bar in the middle of your screen and this keyboard to enter the link, which will be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's applinked.store. So here you go, just enter the link exactly as you see on the screen and make sure not to make any mistakes. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel to get even more content about Firesticks. And now when this website has opened up, all you gotta do is click on that green download app linked button. You click on it, and now the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the app. And then, after it is downloaded, of course, we also need to install it to our Firestick. So click install and just wait a bit until the installation process is finished. And then do not click on open yet because there are still more steps to do. Instead of that, click done and then delete and delete once again. This way, you delete unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And it's important because by default, your Firestick doesn't have too much of free space available anyway. Then what we have to do is actually go to settings one more time, go to My Fire TV, open it up, and then again we go to developer options, install unknown apps, and there we have to turn that option on for AppLinked as well, because we'll be using AppLinked to install other applications from the internet, and therefore this option has to stay turned on. Then we go and open the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let me open it. And there's the app linked. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access this app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of VPN totally for free. And then finally, let's open AppLinked. Here we go. Open this application. Click OK. And now to enter the codes, we need to click on Add a Store right here. And now we'll be entering the code. So the first code we'll enter is going to be 88099. So once again, it's 88099. That is the first code we are using. Click Next. Click on Add. Let's wait until it gets saved. And then you have to go to Save Stores. Select this code from the list and click on Open. Here I just have to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact apps available here, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So in this alternative app store, you get access to loads of movie applications, live TV apps, live sports apps, media players, IPTV players, as well as some useful utility apps. So there's quite a lot of nice, amazing applications. And that is the first code we use today, but definitely not the last one. So now we go back, click on Add a Store, and again, we'll be entering a code, just a different one this time. So another code will be 812051690. So once again, 812051690, quite a long code. Click on Next, click on Add, and again, we just go to the Save Stores, select this code, the new one from the list now, click on Open. And now a different alternative app store has opened for us. Again, quite a lot of amazing applications, a lot of different alternative app stores, media players, some movie applications, IPTV players, and other amazing useful applications for your Fire Stick. And again, we go back now. And now the third code we'll be using is going to be 8970. Yep, that's it. Pretty short code, 8970. Click next. Add the code to your saved stores. And then we gotta open it. This alternative app store also has quite a lot of media players, movie applications, TV shows apps, as well as some IPTV players for your Amazon Fire Stick. And now let me show you one more code. It will be 980606. Once again, 980606. Click on the next. Click add. Go to save stores, and of course, as always, you probably already know the drill. We click on that code, click open here, and enjoy again all those amazing apps. Definitely in your case, the screen will not be blurred, as in my case, as I said previously, I do have to blur it out due to YouTube rules. But in this code, you also get a lot of amazing apps for your Fire Stick. So I hope this video was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.